Hello everybody, and today we're playing War Thunder. Yeah, I'm gonna rage and pretty much rage most of this video because I don't know how like there's shots in this game. So I'm gonna get into it. Did someone try to shoot that at me? Oh, yeah, people are shooting at me. Hey, I know I'm popular, like, hey. Chill down with bullets. Alright, yeah, that guy's out of my range. Whoa, this guy, he's really shooting at me. Whoa, chill down. Oh, no, wait, trench. You know, back away from the trench. I want to go really fast. Alright. No, what? Oh, now I'm a trench tank now. God damn. Alright, let's get out of this trench. Woohoo! Yeah! We're out of the trench. I'm gonna get sniped. Watch this. Watch this. I'm gonna get sniped. Jeez. I actually shot down a plane once. I mean, I did severe damage to it, and then it, like, you know, kind of flew majestically into the ground. Oh shoot! No, that guy's a guy. And then, I'm gonna go. Oh, come on, a kill. Come on. Die already. I know. Just keep on laying on the hits. Hey, they're gone. Hey, one kill. Alright, now I just gotta finish repairing. We're back. Alright. That's a ricochet, of course. Come on, shoot. Ah, no, don't shoot me, I'll shoot you. Go. What? From where? Oh my gosh. Lucky shot of all time. What? Oh yeah, this guy. Alright. How did that hit, huh? That was a lucky shot. We're in the trench. Or made up trench. I see them. Probably gonna get shot out here. Oh shoot, no, there's a guy right there. No. Wow, come on. No. Are you serious? Dang it, bro. I didn't see that guy. Stupid camo. Alright. Follow me, person. I will be your leader. I will lead you. That's what a leader does. Ooh, I killed that guy. I gotta kill assist. Oh, I know that guy's there this time. Think you can trick me? I see you. BLT. No, okay. There goes my guns. You know, just kill me, better. Just shoot me. Just shoot me. Just kill me. I know I'm gonna get in this plane battle, but I'm instantly gonna die. Oh wait, maybe if my guy survives, I can, you know, kind of, you know, kamikaze into that other guy. All right, let's go. You gotta save me. Come on, floor it. Where's this guy? Where is he? Oh, I'm dead, actually, I think. I think I'm dead. Hey, I actually killed someone. I hit him. Alright, I just can't die here. Well, I still have 17 seconds left. So I'm gonna die. Oh, come on. Nope. Come on. No. No. Yes. Yes. No. All right. Wait. I guess I could kill whoever. If my guy's even still alive. Oh yeah, I am dead. I died. Well, that's game. That is game. All right. All right. We're back. Move. Move. No. Come on. Come on. What is this guy looking at? What is this guy looking at? Speedy tank. This tank's gonna suck though. Bulletproof. What happened to that guy? That guy just got turned into dust. Jesus. Alright. Alright, yeah. I'm probably not gonna go in that area. How did I hit that? How did I hit that? Oh my god! Oh my god, how did I hit that? Alright, I'm gonna activate the extinguisher. Oh, wow. I guess I'm already. Oh. Oh, shoot, I see you. I see. Come on, I saw that guy! I saw that guy! No. Are you serious? Stupid little. Come on, did that hit? No, it didn't, because you know this game. That makes sense. Alright, yeah, I don't got connection. Yeah, I'll fire for the sake of firing. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Don't shoot my guy. Oh, wait, that guy's dead. I see him, I see that guy, I see them. Yeah, wait, I'm getting shot by both of these stupid idiots. That guy is now dust. I mean, I don't know. Got must advanced. Oh, ooh, critical hit. Let's go. Shoot, no, wait, now I'm kind of saved up. Huh, literally. Come on, take this guy out. I can't take. Oh my gosh. Can't. Why won't this guy die? Oh, come on! Yeah, like, that makes sense. Whoa, who killed me? Yeah, I got shot. Woohoo, yeah, makes sense. This random guy comes out of nowhere, shoots me. You can be clutch with these light tanks, but it's just very hard. Hey, I got a little badge. Teamwork. Another badge. Let's go. But I don't want the lions. I need those light bulbs. Bro, what? Did you see that? That guy just kamikaze. Woohoo, he won! Wait, did we lose? Oh, I didn't kill anybody. What? That's dumb. Alright. We're not really far from this. Whatever this is. I think this is a more armored one of these. Alright, let's see what this guy looks like. Let's see what it looks like. Whoa. The armor on this thing. Whoa. It's got a 2 option? Oh, this tank looks so cool. Alright. I like this. Round 3, let's go. Bust through that gate. I shot the gate and it didn't break. Alright, yeah, oh yeah. Now when I shoot it with my tiny machine gun, it breaks. Sense it all, man. Bro, I ran over like something watery. I don't know. What? Hello. Oh yeah, now I'm dead. Thanks. Help me. I'm stuck here. I'm dead. Yeah, hello. Thanks for moving. Of course I died! Yeah, that makes... What, bro? Okay, everybody's going after me. Yeah. I get shot once and I get stuck. And then, whoa, yeah. I'm stuck! Boom! Oh, hello. Come on, die already. Why won't you die? Oh, now they're dead. Oh, shoot, yeah. Leave it up to me to miss that easy shot. A shot right in the back. Oh, yeah, now I'm dead. Now I am dead. Oh, yeah. Whoa, look. No guns. Please don't kill me. Please don't kill me. I didn't do anything. Of course! Of course! Bro. What the heck? What the heck? I always get immobilized out of nowhere. I don't even get to kill anybody, because everybody's just stealing my kills. I'm doing the stupid thing. I don't know why they would add 2 guys in the back on a tank. I mean, I know there's probably some use. Yeah, but like for this game, I know they model tanks off like real life tanks, but in this game, if like let's just say there's just battles of tanks and just planes and ships, no people on the ground. Adding people to the back is just insanely dumb. It's just an easy way to get killed, and your thing can't even swing all the way. You know, that's just saying in this world. I don't know, but that's just a question. I know it has some use. So you can see here. Ooh, yeah, let's go. Come on, die. Please die. Die for me, please. All I ever wanted. Yes, let's go. Hey, there's fireworks. Oh shoot. Oh no, please no. Spare me. Spare me, why don't you? Oh no, never mind. Thanks guys. Thanks. Now I'm stuck. Oh, I'm dead. Yeah, I hate this game. This game's so dumb. Can't even survive to the end. I only survived to the end like once today. I played this game like 40 times a day. Stupid game. I was getting sniped. I killed like 1 person in like the past 3 matches. Oh my gosh. So fun. Earlier. Decals. Oh, it is. I clicked the wrong one. Alright, so fighter controls. Basic tank controls available. Should add that right on my back. This is a fire one. Helping with... Alright, I need to help with repairing people, I guess. How do I get... 2023. Exchange 20. Collect nose art. Kinda sounds like Mozart. Oh no, don't do that, no. NVIDIA. Where should I add this? I should add this to the front. This is a solid tank. What did I just do? Did I add a new decal? No, I didn't. Oh, darn tootin'. Alright. I guess I'll add this on my back so people can see I use NVIDIA, I guess. World War? No. Other? Ooh, I have other things. Hey, it's pretty fire. Cancel. Alright, what do I have? Whatever that is. Get faster. That's insane. That's insane. I should add this to my back. People know I'm a serious guy. Alright. Back. This is insane. This is insane. Oh, I should customize this. What should I add? Alright. What else? I think some of these are planes. On the hatch. That's a really confirming. Sorry, I mean really official. Alright, let's do this. Final game. Probably gonna watch a regular show after after this video. I don't know. I finished it. Like we watched it. I want to watch it again because it's such a good show. And now I've seen more jokes that I didn't see before. Like Vince is gonna drop his balls when he sees this joke. I don't know. You gotta watch the show. I don't know what it. That was like the one. I think that was like one of the first episodes. That was like the second or third. Hey, that was a nice hit. That was a nice shot. No, please don't kill me. Come on, die already. Oh, you're dead. Dead. Oh, come on! I get a 1 good second. Are you serious, bro? I come out of nowhere. This guy comes out of nowhere. I just peek my head for 1 second. God dang it. Oh, what? Bro, how did I manage to do that? Wait, what? What? Did you see that? What? What? I should help this guy. Come on, I'll help you. I'll help you. Wait, I can't. Oh, wait, that guy's dead now. You killed my friend. Never mind. I don't really care about it. Yeah. Woohoo. Yeah. What? That's not even a tank. Oh my god. You know. Theoretically, like I was talking about earlier, if I shot that with that gun, you can still see the bullet. What? Bro, what is this guy doing? Bro. Stop. Ah. Like, you can just see the bullet fly into that building. Whoever's in that building is not having a good day. Hey, at least they don't have to work anymore. Hey. That would have been helpful if they didn't like their job. Honestly, helping people out here. I know you hate your boss. Should we idea. Bad idea. Oh, I hit him. No, 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 I'm screwed. I killed him, but he killed me. I killed him, but he killed me. What? We killed each other. What? Wait, I killed someone else. Alright, I guess that's it for the video, you know. Thanks for watching so much. And, you know, it really means a lot to me that we have so many subscribers. But I hope we can get to 200. 220. 220. Yeah. Goodbye. Thank you so much for watching. No, wait, don't go to battle again, no. Thank you so much for watching. You know, like I said. And goodbye.